everyone. Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne. Have a look at this. It's a water fountain, as you can see. Has not been maintained or looked after for I don't know how long. A long time. Anyway, we're going to be cleaning up this fountain. They're having a birthday party on the weekend, so they want everything kind of spick and span. We'll also be doing these, I believe they're concrete kind of stools or benches. So we'll be doing this, we'll be cleaning out all this water so we can actually wash in there and clean it up properly. And then I'll just show you here as well. Ooh, oops, just coming through. We'll also be cleaning up this fountain here for them as well. So that'll be a nice, you can see I've just blown the water out of this one. See how dirty that is? So we'll just clean that up as well. Show you the results at the end. So if you do have outdoor sculptures or garden furniture, etc., we can work with it. So with the put a mold and mildew treatment in there, and it should come up really good. All right. Hey, look at that, everyone. That's come up absolutely beautiful. So love that. We did all the benches here as well, so they've come up really, really well. But yeah, it's gorgeous stone. I mean, it's not going to look perfectly new, and we don't want it to look perfectly new. It looks like it needs to have been here for a bit of time, so it has to have that slightly aged look. So you can see it's not perfect, but it just really, again with the setting now, we've done the pavers, it just looks crisp, which is what we're trying to achieve. I'll just show you these other two fountains that we did as well, and this one here came up really, really well, really beautiful. So, and then the final one is this one here. So if you need some external fountains done, then give us a call. We'd be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.